Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create your very own social media planner inside Notion using a free template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a beautifully organized space for all your social media content ideas, schedules, and performance tracking, and it'll look as professional and aesthetic as the planners you see in productivity TikToks. Let's get right into it. So for this demo, we're actually going to speed things up and make life easier by using one of Notion's free social media planner templates. Starting with a template is a smart move because it gives your planner a great-looking professional structure right from the start and saves you tons of setup time. Plus, you'll still have the freedom to tweak and customize everything later on to fit your exact style and needs. Think of it kind of like moving into a fully furnished apartment. You get the basics set up, but you can always move stuff around and add your own decor as you go. Alright, here's how we're going to do it. First, look up to the top left of your Notion workspace. You'll see a little drop-down button next to your workspace name. Don't worry if you haven't noticed it before. It's a handy gateway to all sorts of features. Click that drop-down and from there select Browse Templates. This option brings up Notion's template library, which is a goldmine for productivity hacks. Now in the search bar, type Social Media Planner. You'll notice there are plenty of options, each with slightly different layouts and features. Take a moment to review a few. Maybe you want something that has a built-in content calendar, or maybe you like a template with fields for notes and analytics. Pick the one that feels closest to your vibe. You can always make changes later. Once you've found a template you like, just click Add. Notion will instantly set up a new page for you with all the planner sections filled in, and trust me, this saves you from having to build every single database and calendar view from scratch. It's like someone assembling the bones for your project so you can get straight to the creative part. Now you're ready to personalize things. You can start adding your credentials, for instance, your Instagram handles, YouTube channel links, or any other social accounts you plan to manage. This will help you keep track of what content goes where. You can also add your content creatives, think drafts for upcoming posts, image ideas, captions, campaign notes, all of that good stuff. The template usually comes with fields for these, so just click in and start typing. If you want, you can change up the colors, icons, and cover images to match your aesthetic. Don't worry if it isn't perfect yet. You can always revisit and tweak your planner as you get more comfortable. And that's honestly it. You've got yourself a streamlined, visually appealing social media hub inside Notion. Whether you're managing a brand, growing your personal account, or running a side hustle, having a planner like this will keep your content strategy organized and stress-free. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps out. Feel free to drop any questions or ideas in the comments if you get stuck or want suggestions for further customization. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more Notion tips and easy productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.